Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. Who is that? Sally. Haha. Sally. Haha. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Who is that? Tomato! Wow!
Request acknowledged.
A funny car.
Request acknowledged.
Tomato! Wow! This is Sheriff. Yeah.
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something. Serpentine! Serpentine!
Sheriff. Yeah. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Doc Hudson. Yeah. Oh my god, it's Smokey! Yeah!
Lesson 1. You're old.
He said you're old.
It's Smokey! Yeah! Who is that? Ramon! Wow!
Hey, anything you want. You know, like a flame job.
Oh,
Maybe
thanks,
gold
man.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Ramon! Wow! This is Mac! Wow! This is Mac! Tomato! This is Lightning McQueen! Hello, friend. Let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Wow, Tormentor. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Wow. Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. This is Miss Frieder. Wow. Whoa, Dr. Feelbad. Yeah. This is Red. Wow. This is Jackson Storm. This is Lightning McQueen. Friend. Bulldozer. Yeah. Oh, Cow Tractor. Tomater. This is Lightning McQueen. Who is that? Tomater. Wow.
Where are you? Shoot, you're in Radiator Springs.
Whoa, Dr. Feelbad. Yeah.
Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Oh, this is Red. Wow.
Oh, Red, you missed a spot.
This is Miss Frieder. Wow.
Your license plate's gonna look real nice in my collection. Oh, boy.
This is Jackson Storm. Wow.
Champ here has been a role model of mine for years now. And I mean a lot of years.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
You have jumped a barrier. You have made 2 vehicles.
Wow, Tormentor. Yeah.
Here comes a nice fresh pour.
Pour it out.
Oh, you got it.
This is Lightning McQueen. Wow.
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McQueen.
Who is that? Tomater. Wow.